Hey there, Ride the Car Guy here, and today we're going to get an old Homelink to work with a new garage door opener. Now I have a standard LiftMaster garage door opener that was made in 2018, and I have a Lexus GX 470 that was made in 2006. Now this GX did come with Homelink, but it is a much older version of Homelink, like a 14-year-old version. And the idea is that this Homelink as it sits will not work with the newer garage door openers. However, Chamberlin came out with what is called a Homelink Compatibility bridge. And the idea is that you plug this little repeater into the wall, gives you a remote to program to your car, and then it's supposed to be able to take this older Homelink and work with the newer garage door openers. So that's what we're gonna go ahead and attempt today. We have again, of course, a LiftMaster, but this should also work with Chamberlin and Craftsman garage door openers. But just go ahead and check out the Homelink Compatibility Bridge website. That will tell you everything that it is compatible with. And I put a link down below for that, and also a link where you can go ahead and pick one of these up. So we're gonna start in the car today. So go ahead and set your bridge aside. Then we're gonna grab our remote and go program it to the Homelink in the car. Different cars and different versions of Homelink could have different pairing methods, but for this particular car, we want to push the first and the third button, hold those down to clear all of the codes. So let's do that first. You'll see the light is solid. All right, then it starts to blink. You can let go at that point. Felt like an eternity, but I think it was about 10 seconds. And then you just take the included remote, hold it up near the Homelink, and hold down the button that you want to program, and then hold this down at the same time. All right, it's flashing. All right, now it's fast flashing. Let go, and we're good to go. Next, just plug in your compatibility bridge as close to the garage door opener as you can. I'm of course just plugging it in on the wall just for the sake of this video, but afterwards I'm gonna try to get a little extension cord and get it up in the ceiling near the nearest to the actual garage door opener. Now we need to go click the Learn button, either on the garage door opener itself, or if you have it on the wall plate, you can go click it there. I happen to have it on my plate, so if I just lift this up, I have a little Learn button. So I'm gonna click this button, and as soon as it starts to flash, I'm gonna go into the actual car and click the button I just programmed to get it to close the garage door. Once you do that, come up, press your button, and then once you do, you should see the light on the garage door opener flash, or it may beep as well. Once that happens, the Learn light will turn off, and now your garage door opener should work. Excellent. So that's it. We have our old Homelink and our older Lexus working with our new garage door opener. If you have any questions about this, go ahead and put them in the comments below. Also in the description is going to be a link to the compatibility bridge as well as a link where you can buy it. Please be sure to hit like if you liked this video, subscribe for more content like this, and I will see you in the next one.